Power up your Discord experience. Enable developer mode in just a few taps. But make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to enable developer mode in Discord Mobile. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your Discord account. On the home screen, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and tap Settings menu to open the user settings. In the user settings, scroll down and tap on the Advanced. Find and toggle the switch beside the developer mode. After enabling the developer mode, you don't need to confirm anything. Discord will apply the changes immediately. With the developer mode enabled, you will gain access to advanced tools that can enhance your Discord experience. So this is how to enable the developer mode in Discord Mobile. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.